This is a handicrafts exhibition in Gujrat, organized by the Trade Development Authority and the Gujrat Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The purpose of the exhibit is to hunt for new talent for international tours. And the fact that the 50 different but beautifully put together stalls attracted popular acclaim does not hurt either.
उनकी प्रोडक्ट हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दें जो हमारी एनुअल एग्जीबिशन होती है इंटरनेशनल कराची के अंदर।
तो इसमें भी हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स में हमने नुमाइश लगाकर उन हीरों को तलाश करने की कोशिश की है कि जो अभी तक हमारी आंखों से ओझल थे या टेडैफ से ओझल थे।
From beautiful decoration pieces to stylized kitchenware, each item on display is a testament to Pakistani innovation. The warm winter clothing available here at cheap prices are an added blessing. The success of the exhibition can be gauged from the keen interest of the visitors.
हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा है यहाँ पे विजिट करके, तो आई थिंक ऐसे एग्जीबिशंस होनी चाहिए।
खास तौर पे सोर्ड्स और इस तरह की चीज़ें, ये लेदर की, ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सीलेंट।
One stall particularly caught the attention of many. A lady who exports army uniforms to many developed countries has set up a display to encourage future female participation.
मैं ये दिखाना चाहती थी कि women बुटीक से निकले, शू मेकिंग से निकले। There is a lot of field for women. तो आप मनवाएं, टफ फील्ड है यहाँ पे, इतने ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम है, तो women थोड़ा सा चैलेंज लें।
These efforts received government appreciation as well. The Federal Defense Minister Ahmed Mukhtar gave away prizes to the participants. Exhibitions like the one not only bring the traditions and values of an entire culture under one roof, but also provide a much needed breather to people daunted by the recent spate of terror. And such traditions should continue too. Mansoor Behzad Butt, DawnNews, Gujrat.